What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson. Today I want to talk about the price of Bitcoin, but first I want to go over a few key news articles that have to do with the progression of the crypto industry as a whole. Bakkt said that Bitcoin futures are now actively trading on the ICE Futures US, while Bakkt Warehouse continues to onboard Bitcoin. So Bakkt did launch. Now the market did not see much of a reaction from this, which is expected. Most crypto YouTubers that you guys have been listening to have been telling you that Bakkt was, the biggest event in Bitcoin history and that the prices were going to moon with the launch of Bakkt, which really isn't true because the contracts are settled in Bitcoin, right? You don't start by buying Bitcoin when you're trading on the Bakkt platform. You settle your trades in Bitcoin, right? And this is just a way for institutions to get their hands on Bitcoin over time. Personally, I don't see a major reaction in the price of Bitcoin due to this futures platform being released. The last time Bitcoin saw a futures platform go live was actually December 10th, which was at the peak of the last bull run. And right now we're seeing this futures platform go live, which is at the peak of this current run, in my opinion. In my opinion, we're in a descending triangle formation. Very likely we are going to see a sell-off. I think most likely if you go from swing low to swing high, we're going to see a sell-off to about $7,500, which is just above the golden retrace, before getting a major bounce and a continuation of the bull market. Now let's move on to some of the news pieces that I've been looking at here. This is a pretty important one. Facebook reveals Libra crypto's currency basket breakdown. So the article says here that Facebook has reportedly revealed the percentage breakdown of a basket of global currencies that will underpin its Libra cryptocurrency. While it's already known that 50% of the basket will be on the US dollar, the remaining portion will consist of euro, yen, British pound, and Singapore dollar, with 18%, 14%, 11%, and 7% respectively. Now, moving on to a related article, IBM says it's open to working with Facebook on Libra crypto. IBM's general manager of the blockchain services, Jason Kelly, said that the company is looking to spur collaboration in the space. Kelly did not say whether the firm is interested in joining the Libra Association, though he did acknowledge that Facebook's entry in the industry helps boost its legitimacy. And one of the quotes here is, "We talk about Libra and people say it's just another crypto. Set crypto aside and talk about tokenization because that's what we're talking about." So what I see here is Facebook and IBM are sort of working on tokenizing fiat currencies. The article also talks about how Facebook has acquired the AI-based chatbot startup Service Friend for our customer service for Calibra, the digital wallet for Facebook's planned Libra cryptocurrency. And this is what I've been talking about in my community tab post, that the future of currency is very likely not going to necessarily be decentralized cryptocurrencies, and that many fiat currencies are going to be tokenized and it will be backed by artificial intelligence. Now, moving on to the price of Bitcoin, what we've seen recently is a failed bullish hammer. Bitcoin did attempt to put in a bullish hammer candle. We did not get much follow-through volume from the bulls after that. We did end up selling off back to the 100 EMA on the daily chart. Now, if you guys have been watching this channel, we've been keeping a close eye on the 21 EMA and the 100 EMA on the daily chart, and we can see these two moving averages currently converging right now with the price action. And right now Bitcoin is beginning to sell off and is again testing below the 100 EMA here on the daily chart. A lot of people were looking at the 50 simple moving average and the 100 simple moving average here on April 20th or 21st as that bullish indication, which was a the 50 simple and the 200 simple getting a bullish cross does hold a lot more weight than most other moving average crosses. And a lot of people were looking at this as the bullish indication. But one other cross that I found more helpful and more relevant at the time was actually the 21 EMA crossing above the 100 EMA, which was really directly correlated with the initiation of the breakout here in the beginning of April. And what I'm looking for right now is actually to see if the 21 EMA crosses below the 100 EMA, and that would basically just be a sort of an inverse reaction right here. So this was sort of a bullish signal for a breakout for Bitcoin and a sign that Bitcoin was likely ready for a bullish move. And right now, we're looking at the 21 EMA looking to cross down to the 100 EMA. And if we do get this bearish cross, the blue 21 EMA crossing below the yellow 100 EMA, that would be a very likely indication that Bitcoin would be looking to test down below this formation to about $7,500, which again is my downside target right now from swing low to swing high. That is the golden retrace, right? If you go from swing low to swing high, the golden retrace comes in at about 72 to 7,300. Very likely this is going to be front ran. A lot of volume is likely going to be coming in at this point, which is about $7,500. Could be anywhere from 72 to 7,500. And this is currently what I think is most likely if we do get a moving average cross, the 21 EMA crossing below the 100 EMA. This is how I see it playing out still. I'm still leaning more bearish on this price action right now. I personally don't think that the launch of Bakkt really is going to have any immediate effect on the price. I think actually very likely a lot of institutions would be looking to bet against Bitcoin at this point in time, as we're sitting, we've had pretty much a straight shot from the low 3,000s to 14,000. And I think, a routine correction to the golden retrace does seem likely at this point in time, about 7,500. And as you guys know, on most of these parabolic swings in Bitcoin's bull run, we did get a retest of the golden retrace on pretty much every move. So I still think a breakdown is likely right now, and that is what I'm looking for at this point in time. If we can manage to hold above the blue 21 EMA, then that would be a very bullish sign. But if we do start to range below the yellow 100 EMA, that would be a very bearish sign. So these two moving averages right here is what I'm looking for my indication what direction Bitcoin is very likely going to be breaking. So that's pretty much what I wanted to discuss today. A few key articles, Bitcoin sort of still consolidating within this formation. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to sign up with CryptoWatch, which is the platform that I chart and trade with, definitely hit that affiliate link below to create a free account. And I will see you all in the next video.